Today we are diving into Contentful, a powerful headless CMS solution. We'll cover how to create custom content types and then explore how to leverage the AI feature provided by this platform to accelerate this process. Okay, now let's log into the Contentful dashboard. I'm going to click on login. And now let's go to create our first content type. So let's go to content model. And here we're going to click on design your content model. From here, we need to enter the name of the new content type. Let's say video. And I'm going to click on create. And here we can start adding fields to the video. For example, we can add the title of the video as a short text. I'm going to keep it as it is. And we can add some other fields. For example, a media field. So let's name it media. Let's keep one file selected. I'm going to click on add and configure, and I'm going to click on confirm. I'm going to click on save. This is the video content type, pretty basic with two fields. Okay, what is the AI way of doing this? Let's go back to content model. Let's click on create content type. And from here, you can select generate content type with AI. From here, we need to enter a description of the content type that we want to create. For example, let's say that I want to create a book content type. So I'm going to edit it here, book. I'm going to click on generate. And Contentful is going to give me the book content type already created with a title, an author, the genre, the publication date, rating, summary, etc. I can click here on create, and I have my book content type ready. I click on save, and that's it.